something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
What's up, more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today is Thursday, September the 1st, new month. I just got off work. It is currently 4:02. I have been not able to post much as I wanted to. I have been working these past few days. The past couple weeks, I've been working like a lot more than normal. So I just really haven't been having the time to like record, edit, all that type of stuff. Oh, why is it getting dark? Wait a minute. Y'all just bear with me. I'm getting ready to go to the bank and get some money so I can pay some bills, and I need to go to Walmart because I need to re-up on some things. I think this is gonna be like a September reset. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'll check back in a few. Okay, you guys, so I have finally made it inside Walmart, and I was just looking at some things, and I had to re-up on some household things. So when I came to this section of Walmart, I was like, they got that black toaster, and I just bought one. I really like that. I'm just picking up Zari some pizzas. You know, I have to re-up on my girl pizza frequently. So this next clip here at Dollar General actually is a few hours later. I decided to get up and come back out, and I decided to go to Dollar General, a little bit that's not in town. I went to a different one, and I just wanted to see what they had, and I also needed some more household supplies. And here I'm just checking out their fall decor. They have so many cute little fall pieces. I love those vases. If y'all don't know, if you are following my channel, you should know that this is my favorite time of the year. Fall is one of my favorite seasons, and they have some nice cute fall pieces. Some of the stuff I already have, and I didn't want to repurchase the same thing. And y'all, now that I'm editing this video, I'm like, dang, why did I not get that rug? But I wasn't sure if they had another one because I would love to have those in my kitchen, but I did not pick it up. And I was just looking at some more things, and y'all, those little trays, y'all, I want those. I think I do still want to go back and get those. I like both of the colors. I will use this as an all year round piece. You know, I love wood tones. And they don't got the other sky. That right there be too thick for my toilet stick. I like the other one. Oh, it is down here. I got the other sky. Oh, there it go. Need some more. So this is some of the stuff that I picked up from Walmart. I picked those gloves up. I love those. I also picked up this shoe rack for Zari's room. And this is the soap that I love to use. I picked up some more wax cubes. How I'll be a content creator, do not have a big tripod. I just use my Sony ZV-1. And I picked up this cup. I love the shape. I love the all glass clear one, but it's okay. This will do. And I just purchased some more lights so I can put these lights in my room on the TV that I have in my room. And I just picked up a few groceries. Y'all know I love those bagels and I love that bread. Of course, smoked salmon and some chips. So this is a whole different day. Today is Monday, which is Labor Day. My plants needed some TLC and I needed to add some more soil to them and add some more water to them. So that's what I did to start my day off. Yeah, I would like to mention I will be having a fall haul, a fall clean and decorate coming up pretty soon. And I did mention that my uploading and filming has been kind of scarce the past few weeks, but y'all just stay tuned. I'm trying my best to get back on a schedule. Not saying that I'm going to be dedicated to certain days, but try to have the content coming. But now I'm just putting on a load of laundry. I love using Game. To be honest, before I do the fall cleaning and decorate, I wanted to get rid of a lot of stuff. I wanted to declutter and just get my house in order. I wanted to really get rid of a lot of unnecessary stuff laying around my house. As you all may know, I do have a small apartment and I really don't have much room for some of the stuff that I be having. So the best thing for me to do is just get rid of it. And now I'm just getting ready to fold up some clothes. I know this doesn't have nothing to do with this video, but y'all, I've been binge watching the originals. I have already seen it before. I'm watching this on Netflix. It's something similar to Vampire Diaries, but this is about the original vampires, like vampires, the first vampires who, existed. But let me know if you guys like Vampire Diaries and the originals. Put a comment below and let me know if y'all have watched it. But it's a really good show. And I really do appreciate the feedback that I have gotten from my closet makeover. I really enjoy doing it. I have fun doing it. And it was simple, cute, and cheap. Y'all know I'm a very creative person. So when I'm able to do little projects like that, y'all, it really makes my day. So now we have made it to the kitchen. I'm just putting some dishes away, getting ready to start washing some dishes. And y'all, I did get rid of some more dishes and some old food, just stuff that needed to be thrown away. I also cleared off my countertops. I got rid of some of the stuff. I rearranged some stuff. I have been realizing, I really want to start romanticizing my life. Stop complaining, just enjoy life. And especially around this time of year, y'all, I get all the feels, all the vibes. But I'm not going to go in too deep on that. I have another video for that type of conversation. But do any of y'all do monthly resets, for different parts of your life? Like, far as me, I'm doing the cleaning. You can do a personal reset, just different type of resets. I just wanted to know. So now we are now in the living room. I'm just clearing out in here. It's really not much. It's just a lot of stuff that need to go back into place. And I wanted to show y'all this pillow that I have purchased from Dollar Tree. I also have a green one that's coming up. And y'all, when I tell you, they both were $5 and they are so soft. They don't even feel like they came from Dollar Tree. I'm telling y'all, don't be sleeping on Dollar Tree, which I don't think y'all do, because Dollar Tree has become very, very popular. It's always been around, and who don't love a good deal? Which I do like the fact that they have stepped it up, where they do have stuff that's $5 now that look more luxury or expensive. I'm not gonna say luxury, but it look more high end than some of the other stuff that they have always had. Y'all know I love me a good old sale. Now if it look good and it's affordable, I'm buying it. You're coming home with me. It's still certain areas of my life where I wanted to still accomplish a monthly reset. I'm the type of person who needs an organized life. I hate for things to be cluttered. I hate for my mind to be cluttered. I hate for my space to be cluttered. And not saying that I have to be perfect, but I need to get in the habit of having a routine, and I need to stick to it. But then again, I contradict myself because I do hate routine, but I know routine is what works best for me. And I'm just going through this Now I'm just going through this tote to see what I have that I can throw away so I can make room for some new stuff. I have to get rid of all these. I'm about to break these boxes down. These are clothes that I don't want no more, so I have to give it away. And once I get these boxes down, I will be back. I also want to show you these bins that I got from Walmart. I'm going to add some shirts and stuff in there. I also picked up some more wax cubes, but I may change my mind on what I put in those bins. So this is an overlook of the kitchen. This is how I decided to do my counter. I did remove some stuff and I did change around some stuff, and I still will be changing around some stuff as time goes by. I decided to get rid of some stuff on my counters because I have no counter space whatsoever, and so I feel like it looks better with less stuff up there, and there's no need to have all that stuff. And this is the living room, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.